Welcome to Bella Stitchery. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to make your own envelopes without any envelope making tools. Super easy. Okay, I'm going to show you with a large 12 by 12 just so you could see it easier. Stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll show you a layout I made with a handmade envelope on it. Okay, so what you're going to need is a square piece of paper. Any size, square. This, as I said, 12 by 12. Then decide which side you want to be the outside of your envelope. That's about as tricky as it gets. So what I'm going to do is find my center line. You could fold it to find a center line, but I didn't want folds in my envelope. The other way you could do it is just to use some kind of ruler. This is a cutting mat, seen better days. I'm going to find where it's 6 inches in. And just mark a line. Doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, this pencil is covered in Play-Doh. So, you know, again, use what you have. The kids like to make happy faces in their Play-Doh people with pencils, which is great until you go to use a pencil and it doesn't write. So I'm going to try to find the lead portion here. There we go. So there's our center, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to rotate your paper. The top, see how this is like a diamond shape? This is going to be your sealing flap, open flap of your envelope. The sides are going to be your side. So just decide how you want it to look. Okay, I kind of like this as my sealing side. So then what you're going to do is you're going to fold one corner into your center line that you just made. Okay, fold the other corner to meet it at that center line. Okay, I don't know if you can see my lines, they're pretty light. Here, I'll kind of go over them a little bit more so you can see. You're not really going to see it once you fold it. See my center lines here, like that. So I fold those in. Next, I'm going to fold the bottom up. And I just bring it up till I feel like it looks envelope-ish. See, this is the bottom of my envelope. So I'm going to do it about to here, maybe even a little bit more. Okay, crease it. If you have a bone folder, this is handy for this. And you're going to tuck this piece in. See that? Okay, it is literally like the easiest paper folding technique ever. So I'm going to do this. Now I'm going to put a little glue. I'll use some art glitter glue to seal down this side here. And to seal down this side here. Okay, you could use any kind of adhesive you want. Now here's the top of our envelope, and you're just going to fold that to the corners here of your fold. And that's why you kind of want to measure your center line, at least roughly, so that everything, once it's folded in, makes nice corner edges here. You see what I'm saying? And that's it. Envelope done. Bam. I almost wish it were more difficult because this is a very quick tutorial. But that's it. That's your envelope. How cute, right? Now, you could ink the edges if you're doing kind of a vintage style and it makes all those creases more pronounced. You can make these, again, in any size, out of any adorable paper you have. It is super easy. Now, as promised, let me show you a scrapbook page I made using this same exact fold. Ta-da! Here is this cute little page. I made that literally in prep for this video. Here's an envelope. This was 7 by 7. Okay, so I did my center lines in, folded it the exact same way. And this is adorable. You can put little ephemera, note cards. I made this little tag. Easy. Look at how cute. See what I was saying with the ink? So with this one, I inked all of my edges just to make it look a little bit more vintagey, a little more visually appealing and interesting. And then I could tuck my little things in there, put a photo in there. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And it really adds so much charm. If you are into junk journals, this is a great technique to have, is making your own envelopes, because vellum really any kind of paper you could think of. How cute is that? Ta-da! Nailed it. I say that a lot. Why do I say nailed it so much? Anyway, let me know your comments on this. The easiest paper folding to date, I really think. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. Keep in touch. Check it out and try it out. Let's make some stuff. Bye.